Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can edit your profile on Tinder to make your experience more personalized. To get started, open the Tinder application. Once on the home page, look at the human icon in the right corner below, and click on it to access your profile. Upon entering your profile, you will notice a pencil icon positioned just above your profile picture. Click on this icon to enter the editing space where you can make various adjustments. Enhance your profile by adding more pictures. Simply click on the plus button to upload additional photos that showcase your interests and personality. Tinder offers a unique feature called Smart Photos. By enabling this option, the app continuously tests all your profile pictures to identify the most appealing one, ensuring your best photo is prominently displayed. Make your profile more engaging by writing a brief description about yourself in the provided box. This not only adds a personal touch but also helps you connect with potential matches. Further down, you will find sections to customize your basic information, such as job title, company name, school, and city. Connect your Instagram and Spotify profiles to add more dimensions to your personality. Choose an anthem that represents you by clicking on Choose an Anthem and selecting songs you resonate with. Explore the gender options and sexual orientation settings to accurately reflect your preferences. Keep in mind that some features, such as displaying your age or distance, require Tinder Plus subscription. Upgrading to Tinder Plus unlocks additional premium features that enhance your overall Tinder experience. Completing all the valuable options will help you achieve a 100% complete profile, making it more appealing to potential matches. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.